Okay, so this is one of those questions that is a mixture question, okay? And when we were doing these in class together, okay, we drew giant tic-tac-toe boards to help us solve these problems. Okay, so this big tic-tac-toe board. Now, a company makes trail mix, uses 1 3/8 pounds of peanuts for every 2/3 pounds of raisins. They make 245 pounds of trail mix using only peanuts and raisins. How many pounds of peanuts do they use? Okay, so we have our first ingredient, right, which is going to be the peanuts. And that's 1 3/8 of a pound. Okay, plus we're going to be doing the raisins, right, which is 2/3 of a pound. Okay, and then we have the trail mix. Okay, and that's going to be equal to our trail mix. Now we don't know how much this is, but we do know that they're going to make 245 pounds of it. Okay, so we're going to first go through and solve these pieces here. So we're going to take this 1 3/8 and we're going to add 2/3 in order to figure out how much trail mix that makes. Okay, so we're going to take 1 3/8. That's going to end up being 11/8 plus 2/3. We need to have our same denominator, so we're going to times this by 3/3, and we're going to times this by 8/8, and we're going to end up with 33/24 plus 16/24. And then we can add those together. 33 plus 16 is going to become 9. Carry the, well, there's no carry, that's going to just be 4. 49/24. So we have 49/24 of a pound. Okay, now I'm going to change that into a decimal, and let's go ahead and just use our calculator to do that. So we have our calculator, and we take 49, and we're going to divide that by 24, and that's going to be equal to, ooh, ugly number. Okay, so let's go ahead and write that off to the side, right? So actually, let's just double check that I write that right. So clear everything. We have 33 plus 16 is equal to 49 divided by 24 is equal to this ugly number. Okay, I was hoping I made some mistake. That's going to be equal to 2.0416 repeating. Okay, now I need to figure out how many times I need to make this mixture in order to get to this 245 pounds. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this 245 pounds, 245, and I'm going to divide it by that number. So 2.041, and then it's just 6 repeating. So I'm just going to push 6 until it doesn't let me to anymore, and we're going to push enter. Woo! So this tells me that I need to do this 120 times. Okay, so now that I know that I have to do this 120 times, I need to times all of this by 120. Okay, now because we want to just look at the pounds of peanuts, okay, we're really just needing to look at this first one here. So we're going to take 1 3/8 and we're going to times that by 120. And I'm just going to start by using my calculator here. I'm going to say 11 divided by 8, right, which is going to be equal to 1 3/8 times by 120, and that's going to be equal to 165. So I should see 165 peanuts here. So if we're looking at this, we see 165, we get our answer, and we are good.